A dream becomes a goal when action is taken toward its achievement. Dreams are the starting point for greatness. Your dreams are worth fighting for. The size of your dreams must always exceed your current capacity to achieve them. If your dreams don't scare you, they aren't big enough. Dream as if you'll live forever, live as if you'll die today. Dreams are not what you see in your sleep, they are the things that don't let you sleep. Dream big, take small steps, and keep moving forward. Never give up on a dream just because of the time it will take to accomplish it. The time will pass anyway. Dreams are the fuel that keep the fire of life burning. The only limit to your dreams is the depth of your imagination. The future belongs to those who believe in the power of their dreams. Dreams don't work unless you do, so start working towards your dreams today.